Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get verified instantly on Roblox. So one of the things that allows you to get, the verifying badge is, doesn't require application, right? And you could do it like once a month to get like, the badge. And, basically what's gonna happen is you need to have an experience with the playtime exceeding 1 million hours in the last 90 days. 2, you are a contributor to such an experience and have at least 10k legitimate followers on Roblox. All right, and another thing, on your avatar item creators, you or your group have at least 2 million Roblox in revenue for the last 90 days with at least 200k items sold. All right, and the brands and the public figures have 100k followers on at least one major social media platform, right? Whether it was X, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, or 100 a month monthly listeners on Spotify. And you have to be a part of the Video Stars program, right? And another thing that you need to be authentic, right? You need to verify with your ID, active. You need to be active within the last 180 days. Authenticator enabled. And can you lose the verified badge? Yes, I think you can if you violate Roblox community standards and or terms of service, right? And sell of proof or sell of the proof spoof of the badge and make change to the account that impact authenticity verification. And those 3 ways will make it easier for you to lose your verified badge. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.